Mahomet, Tragedie by Voltaire. Scene 3. Zoper, Palmyra, and Bantor. Zoper says, Fëanor, what wouldest thou? Fëanor says, at the city gate that leads to Moad's fertile plain, the valiant Omar is just arrived. Zoper says, indeed, the tyrant's friend, the fierce, vindictive Omar, his new convert, who had so long opposed him and still fought for us. Fëanor says, perhaps he yet may serve his country. Already he hath offered terms of peace. Our chiefs have parleyed with him, he demands, and hostage, and I hear they've granted him the noble side. Palmyra says, side, gracious heaven. Fëanor says, behold, my lord, he comes. Zoper says, ha, Omar here. There is no retreating now. He must be heard. Palmyra, you may leave us, O ye gods of my forefathers, who have protected the sons of Ishmael these 3,000 years, and thou, O sun, with all those sacred lights that glare around us, witness to my truth. Aid and support me in the glorious conflict with proud iniquity. And let us also remember that just because somebody who knew Muhammad did something doesn't mean that it was, sanctified, particularly after Muhammad died, because he had that dream, according to Sunni sources, that some of the companions were drug off to hell. And he says, what is my companions? He says, you don't know what they did after you. And remember that these words that they're going over are the words that are offensive are the words of the disbelievers, but it's really Voltaire's own opinion, right?